Meet the Huawei Band 10, thinnest fitness band of all-day comfort. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito is meron siyang notification na kung saan pag may nag-message sa'yo is mababasa mo. Napakagaan, 15 grams lang, plus 8.99mm, super nipis. So bago mag-umpisa, konting stretching muna mga boss. Enjoy with a smart-like experience with 1.47-inch AMOLED screen and 700 plus watch faces. You can track your performance with 100 plus workout modes and improve data accuracy. Just sync with Strava and analyze your run like a pro. Ultra long battery life na kayang tumagal ng up to 2 weeks mga bossy. And ultra fast charging, just 45 minutes fully charged na. So yan o, nakaka-entertain mag-workout pag ganito yung interface ng smartwatch mo. After my run, I get a full analysis including the V2O max and recovery time to help me improve, plus it syncs seamlessly with my Huawei Band 10. In the app, I can see the real-time stats like a distance, pace, heart rate, and calories burn. It also tracks my routes using GPS and provides detailed running matrix, including the cadence and stride length. You can get this Huawei Band 10 for as low as 1,899. So if you're into running, the Huawei Band 10 is a great companion. So ano pang hinihintay nyo mga boss? Elevate your game with Huawei Band 10. Click the yellow basket